Hi everyone, it's Tag Dad. I've tested for you a video grip kit for your smartphone. It's made by Comica. It's the model CVM-VM10-K4. Whew, it's a complicated name. This specific version of the model, the K4, has an extension to mount a small LED light that is not included in the box. Personally, I've used the Aperture Amaran light with it, which is a great quality light at a relatively affordable price. It does fit perfectly on the Comica grip kit. If you don't want a light adapter, you can buy another model, the K1 to the K3. But I strongly believe that the K4 model that I have with me to test is the best model that you should use. In the long run, maybe you don't need a light right now. But if you do in the future, it's easy to install and it works perfectly with the microphone and the smartphone grip. The VM10 number in the product name is important as it refers to the actual microphone, which can be bought separately. And right now you are hearing me talk on that microphone, so you can judge by yourself about the quality of the recording of this microphone. The VM10 microphone is a really good microphone for the price. The sensitivity and signal to noise ratio is actually quite good in real life performances. The Potter pattern is super cardioid, so it will record more in front of it. This is important as you should point the microphone at the subject you are recording the audio when you install it on the grip. It can only be flipped by unmounting the microphone from the hot shoe. It takes less than 10 seconds to do so. The shock mount does the job, but I did prefer the old version. The VM10 included with the grip is the second version of this model, indicated by the 2 in the name for the standalone mic. Only a cable for smartphone is included in the box for the kit. What I like about this product is the fact that the cable is detachable, so you can use it on a smartphone or on a camera, a DSLR camera for example. Unfortunately, they only have provided the cable for the smartphone in this kit. If you buy the microphone alone, you will get both cables. But don't forget that you need a 3.5mm jack on your smartphone for this to work, or the appropriate adapter for your phone. I was able to test the mic directly on my wife's LG V30, but a 3.5mm to lightning adapter was necessary for my iPhone. All in all, I wouldn't say the microphone is a pro-grade microphone, but it's certainly serviceable, and even better than serviceable, it's very good for any starting YouTuber or creator. With proper recording software and technique, your audience ears will be happy. You will also get in a box the mic windscreen and the mic wind muff. Now let's talk about the video grip kit now. The build quality is great, really. The price of the kit is not cheap, however, compared to other grip on the market, but it does come with good materials and a solid construction. The end grip does feel premium with the soft touch material. All the grip pieces, the extension, the knobs are made of metal. The only part which is in plastic is the smartphone holder, and the plastic is of way better quality than most holders I've already owned. Instead of using a spring mechanisms, it uses a knob that you have to turn. I think I like that because big phones are often difficult to install with some spring holders. Finally, the kit comes with a nice little case. The one fault I can find for this product is that it's not compact. It doesn't fit in the case when it's not in use. You have to dismantle the old kit so you can fit the pieces in the case. I would have preferred a bigger case that can hold all the grip. Anyhow, this is a minor nitpick, I think. All in all, this product is good. I've used this microphone for a long time and it's great for the price. The grip itself is of higher quality than many other similar products on the market. The price is not cheap, but that's up to you to decide if you are ready to pay what they are asking for. Just be sure to choose the right version for your need, K1 to K4. I think the main use for this kit is vlogging, really. You could use a cage or something smaller for other purposes, but a Comica kit is super comfortable for vlogging. So thank you all, it was Tech Dad, see you next time. Think about subscribing, liking, comments. Ciao!